Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today because we are going to play with a very interesting new device that I actually received. They sent me JuvaLips and it is a natural lip plumping device. So this sounds super interesting to me, but I think that like overall everybody just wants bigger, plumper lips. It's just such a trend right now. I feel like so many of the celebrities just have those big pouty lips, and it makes it so when you put on lip gloss and lipstick, it just looks so pretty and full. I don't know about you guys, I feel like getting lip injections, they're super expensive. They don't last for a very long time, and I personally just have heard of stories of how painful they are, and like I feel like I've seen lip filler kind of go wrong and they don't look that great. And so I don't know, I feel like I would love fuller lips. I personally have always kind of wanted to do lip filler the past couple years, and I feel like we just all look a little better if my lips were a little bit just poutier, a little bit more full up top or something like that. But it's just too expensive and it could go wrong. I heard it's painful. I got this, I'm really excited to see how this works because it's this little device. I will definitely dig into it in a second. There is this like soft contour area where you just put your lips in, and I think it suctions and it brings this like blood flow to your lips, and the plump should actually last 6 to 8 hours. So, you know, instead of doing lip fillers and just kind of doing this every day or whenever you're going out or whatever and you want fuller lips, this could be kind of a cool option. So it takes 1 to 2 minutes to get the plumper lips. So I think each section is 60 seconds. The results last for 6 to 8 hours or even longer after repeated use. And then it's completely natural and safe to use, no acids or chemical injections. Let's see, it came with this little pamphlet as well. And then inside it kind of has these like tips. So the first one is recommending like a strong seal is what's going to make sure that it works properly. A strong seal between the device and your mouth is the key to great results. If air is able to get in between or around your lips, the JuvaLips device won't be able to create a vacuum seal, which makes sense. It helps to apply some lip balm, which I already did, and also to wet the pink portion of the JuvaLips mouthpiece. Be sure to wiggle your lips around until you feel you are creating the strong seal, okay? And then relaxed lips. So for amazing results, it's important that you totally relax your lips. If you purse or pucker your lips, you won't get the optimum blood flow, okay? A helpful trick is to stick the tip of your tongue out far enough so it's past your lips. The treatment may feel slightly uncomfortable at first, but that's totally normal, okay? I need to read that again. A helpful trick is to stick the tip of your tongue out far enough so it's past your lips. So I'm gonna look real cute. I'm gonna be like in the device, okay. And then the ultimate lip plump section, it says when you are trying JuvaLips for the first time, start with one 60-second treatment to see how it works for you. When you remove the device from your lips after treatment 1, your lips may be slightly blue. Okay. This is caused by the additional blood flow you are drawn to your lips, and it should fade quickly. Many JuvaLip users find that 2 or even 3 treatments work best for their desired results, but everyone is different, and it's important to find what works for you. Start slowly and work your way up for desired results. Okay. Continued use. Some people notice after using JuvaLips for the first time that their lips go back to original size more quickly than they'd like. This is normal. For longer lasting results, the JuvaLips device must be used consistently. Work your way up to using the JuvaLips device for 2 to 3 consecutive treatments, then perhaps try these treatments more than once a day. After continued use, you will notice your lips get bigger and stay bigger for a longer period of time. Okay, so this be a process. So it's like we're training these lips to be plump and stay plump. All right, so I'm honestly just really excited to see what is going on. Okay, so in the box, we've got the device. Ah. You know what actually kind of reminds me of? Did you guys ever use like those Shake razors where it's like a razor and it's like the cartridge would go on top and it's like the shaver and then around it it's like a bar of soap? This is what it reminds me of, but looks like this little area that I put, okay, don't purse. I put my lips in, okay. It comes with this cute little carrying case. These little extra felt guys, it goes inside here. Then it comes with 2 Energizer batteries, which is awesome because I feel like a lot of things don't come with batteries. So let me put the batteries in. Okay, for batteries, I think you just slide this open. Batteries in. Putting this back on. Okay. Okay, here we go. I want to try the suction on my hand real quick. Definitely feel the suction. Oh my gosh, look, it like looked red already. It's totally suctioning. Oh my god, it's like really stuck. Oh my gosh. It was like really stuck. Okay. I'm a little nervous. That was like a really intense section. It says to do the full 60 seconds. I feel like that is a really long time and I'm a little bit nervous. I'm worried that it's going to hurt, but here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna see if I can do it. Oh my. My lips definitely looked purple. It didn't hurt. I don't know. I don't really feel a huge difference. I don't know if I got like the perfect amount of suction. I think maybe I had a little bit too much lip balm because it felt a little bit slippery in there, and it really did suction my lips really in there. Like my lips were touching this felt area inside. So it didn't hurt. I was worried that it was gonna hurt, but I also don't feel like there's a big difference, but it was blue if you guys saw that. So I think I'm going to get a tissue, wipe this dry a little bit, and maybe I try another. I wiped off some of the lip balm that was on there. It did say it's good to wet the mouthpiece a little bit, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I feel like that one worked a little bit better. I feel like it's starting to leave a mark on like my outside. I don't know. Is it working? Am I doing it wrong? It does feel like a little bit tingly, like something is happening for sure. I'm gonna try again. We're going in hard. We're going in for 3 treatments. The suction was so tight. That time I tried to stick my tongue out and leave it there, so then it helps with the suction a little bit. I'm gonna go online and see if I can see some of their videos.
JuvaLips lip plumper device is so easy to use. Insert the batteries, which are included in the box, apply chapstick or saliva to the lips to ensure a strong seal. Alright, here's the fun part. Pucker your lips, but keep them relaxed. Firmly place the JuvaLips on your lips and turn on by pressing the power button. The vacuum will automatically turn off after 60 seconds. To get incredible results, remember the 2 C's. Use consistently and use correctly. You will notice immediate results after 1 or more correct treatments with JuvaLips. Your short-term plumping will last around 6 to 8 hours. If used consistently, you'll notice your results last longer and your lips stay naturally plump much longer.
Is it crazy to try one more time? It really doesn't hurt, and I really feel like I don't see any like bruising or anything, but I do feel a little tingly, like, so it definitely is bringing blood flow and movement to that area. Maybe it is a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm just gonna try one more time. One more time. Okay. Okay, I definitely feel like that one, now that I kind of know a better feel, I feel like that one suctioned a lot better. So I think you just really have to make sure that you get a really, really, really good seal and make sure that it feels better. But honestly, I do feel a little bit of like a plumper action here. Okay, okay. I do think it just takes some getting used to, practice. The more that you do it, the longer the results will last and the better the results are. But I think definitely just making sure that you get a really good suction. That time, like I pushed in a little bit to make sure that it was suctioned, and I could feel like it was on there. Like it was almost like I could let go of the device and it would still be on there. I think maybe the first 1 or 2 times I had too much chapstick on my lips. It was almost too slippery and slidey. My lips suctioned way too far in there and not really stayed like on the surface here. So I think next time what I'll do is I might just like lick my lips with saliva, like not even use the chapstick, and make sure you get a really good vacuum seal. Again, like they said, it just takes some practice making sure that you're using it consistently and using it correctly. I think it is something fun to kind of do to like train your lips and see if it helps over time. I am going to continue to use it because hey, why not? See what happens and see how I like it over time. They also sent me this lip plumping serum, and it says for best results, generously apply after JuvaLips device treatment. You can wear over lip plumping serum alone or lay over lipstick, safe to use as often as desired. So let's see how this is. It is really pretty. You can see that there's like glitter specks in this clear lip gloss. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, I definitely feel like my lips are a little bit tender from all that plumping action we got going on. Whenever I use like a lip plumping serum, I kind of like to like overline my lips with it a little bit because I feel like having it out there will help plump the lips and blur those lip lines. Okay, I definitely feel like my lips are plumper when I do that. Okay, you guys, I definitely feel like my lips do look a little bit plumper. So, okay, I am kind of excited to continue to use this, and I will keep you guys updated on how it all goes. Just for the device, they have a couple different colors like white, black, and a blue. And if you just want the device, it's $99.95. And then if you want the kit, like everything that came in this box, it is $109.95. But if you want to get everything that I talked about today, like everything in the kit and the lip plumping serum, it is $119.95. The people at Juv Lips have been super awesome, and they were nice enough to offer me a code to share with you guys. So if you guys want to try this for 20% off, you can use Carmen20 off, and you can get 20% off your entire order. But I'll be sure to link everything below for you to check out in the description box. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like I think this is something that I'm going to make sure that I do like at least a couple times a day to see what the difference is going to be. I will maybe give you guys a update in next week's video. I am pretty excited about it because I do think that they look a little plumper, right? And the lip plumping serum feels really good. It almost has like a cooling pepperminty effect. It's not too tingly or uncomfortable or anything. It just feels really nice and refreshing. So there is that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun. I've been wanting to test this out for so long. It's one of those interesting devices where it's like, is it gonna work? I don't know, but I think it is definitely cheaper than going the lip injection route. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Please remember to take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.